everybody. It's Bo SpongeBob. How y'all doing today, tonight, tomorrow, or whatever? And that was the cast of characters that I just went right over. Alright, tell you what. I found if you hit Alt and F4, it'll go, you want to get out, but then when you come back, you can see everybody's name. So that's pretty cool. So,
battle starts.
You may see that once in a while in my video. There's probably a better way to do this, but I have not figured it out yet. So, this round is ranked. And, well, as you can see, I have a tier 8 Mogami. And I put some colors and flags and stuff on it to help out a little bit. So, now this one here, and when you're playing ranked, you're not so much going out there as a showboat and going out there and running out as far as you can, and that you pretty much try to stay together and work as a team because you want to rank up. So the best way is to work with everybody. So it may be a little slower than most matches you see, and you probably just see me marching back and forth and patrolling pretty much. Never know. See how this goes.
Fighter airborne.
So I guess our team's plan is to take A. We're gonna move on to B. However, they're trying to take B. And I got a feeling we're going to be meeting in the middle. Well, there's a few. There's a few more! Well, holy crap, they're all going to be. Well, like I say, fish in a barrel. I don't know if that's a good play or a bad play. Sticking all together that tightly. I mean, we're working in a tight package. Oh yeah, if you hit Z, see I can't see it right now, right? But if I hit Z, it showed me exactly where my bullets went. Of course, I'm not going to be able to do much adjusting going around this dang volcano here, but now what are they going to do? Now, if I was one of those destroyers, you know I would be coming around that island and trying to get a peep on what's the other side of the island by guys. But that's just me. But just in case, I'm going to send some torpedoes up here to probably, hopefully catch or at least scare the crap out of some little DD coming around that corner of the lava pit. There's one sitting there, but it looks like he's just camping behind that island. There's a team player, boy. I guarantee you, on his comps, his buddies are there. Stop camping! Go out there and do your job! Get out there! But I'm scared. They're gonna scratch my paint. Well, it looks like that carrier's bombers are not doing too well. He's down to 1 on one fleet and 2 on another one. And there goes the yacht. Yep, he's gone. Still pretty fairly even, everybody. We have a destroyer down, and they have a cruiser down. They still have their carrier, a battleship, and a cruiser.
On the target. Acknowledged.
Yeah, it's a Roger, but I got him out in my way. But I'll hit anybody else I can see. Like him. Hello there, buddy. Peekaboo.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Ah, dang it. Way too far behind. Told you they're hard to shoot, man. They just go back. Best is when they come at you or go away. That shot there was just a hope. And yeah, he just sits still. Well, there's other targets. No, I see you too. Oh, got him good. Oh, sorry, I turned. I knew you were gonna fire. Now you're firing in a totally different direction, which puts you on the blind side to
Enemy
me.
destroyer detected.
So I'm gonna hit the hell out of all 8 of them. Got him that time. That was a good one. Oh, there's that little DD. He's priority. Making me a pain in the you-know-what butt. Oh, yeah. That was
Confirmed
nice.
penetration.
Yeah, I'll penetrate you, buddy. Oh, now he's gonna shoot at me. He's a little angry. Oh, I'm sorry. I scratched his paint and sunk his lifeboat. Yeah, that's the worst shooting I have ever seen, except for mine.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
I got an enemy battleship. What are you talking about, this destroyer? Yeah, he's going behind the mountain. Now let's see if we shoot the guy behind the mountain or this guy. I think I'll shoot both. One at a time, though. That's a little more than I thought it was. Well, we're pulling ahead, folks. Two of them are down. And a destroyer and a cruiser. We have just the destroyer down. My paint ain't been scratched.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Oh. Crap, I got one coming around the corner here. I think we'll keep...
Fighter returning to ship.
These guys seem a little separated, so we're going to try to keep them separated. I'm going to keep heading this guy off here. Head him a little bit towards the west, towards the border, get him away from his buddies so they haven't got backup. And his buddy's on the other side of the mountain from me, so he can't back him up right now anyhow. So we're just going to pepper him and try to get him to drive a little faster away from his buddies. Oh, look at this. He brought another little buddy. Again, as I say, DDs are priority targets. Shoot 'em. I didn't see him, but there's a hit. Oh, there's another hit. He's thinking twice about it. I guarantee he's doing to you. Going back behind that island to camp some more. Probably is that guy that was behind that mountain camping. He went out there. All right, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna just, oh shit, like this. I'm going to head back. There's a piece of him. That was a little short. He's turning on me. Oh, you went and disappeared on me, didn't you? The only problem is if that DD decides to come closer. Yo, he's hiding in the smoke hole and went behind the mountain. I'll guarantee it. So we're up. We're kicking their butt.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Not a problem, except for that mountain in the way. You know,
Roger.
Never mind. He's gone. So we're down to the carrier, which is straight down there.
Our team has taken the lead.
And I'm all alone here. Yep. And look who I find right over here off of my starboard bow, shooting at me. Really? I'm Randy New here, and you have 17,000.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
I'll send some torpedoes over there. What we got here? Got a piece of them. Oh, look at it. He just stopped. He just stopped. Oh. won my points. We got most of their ships out, but I doubt we're gonna get all of them before this is over. There he is again too. I want to sink somebody before this ends. Come here! Die, will ya? Oh. Hey everybody, this is SpongeBob. Hope you like